December 19th, best last-minute Christmas gift idea for hams coming up today on Ham Radio 2.0.
Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, good morning or good evening as the time you'll be watching this video most likely. This is Ham Radio 2.0 where we do reviews and how-tos of everything that's new in amateur radio. My name's Jason, I'm KC5HWB. One thing that's kind of cool that I just got yesterday, okay, is that now if you're watching this video on YouTube on a desktop, it doesn't work yet on a phone, but on a desktop computer, right below the video where you can smash the like button if you like the video, right next to that there'll be another button called Applaud. This is a beta program rolled out by YouTube that I was just added to yesterday, so I'm very excited about that. You can click on Applaud and add a $2 monetary donation to this video or any of my videos that you find value in. So looking forward to being a part of that beta test group. Anybody who finds value in any of my videos, just click on the Applaud. $2 is all it is. You can't change the price. You can't go up or down. It's set at $2 for now, and really appreciate you guys being here. So next, Christmas is in 6 days. This is the next video, obviously. We're going to go over here where I always like to go first. And I was going to record this video yesterday and post it today because I thought I was going to be out of town this morning. But I'm glad I'm able to actually record this on Thursday the 19th and show you what the daily special is today on R&L Electronics. So this is an LDG IT100 Cube tuner for ICOM radios with wall wart. I don't know how this one differs from other tuners, but you can read about that right here, I guess. So up to 125 watts, sideband or CW, 100 watts on 6 meters, 2,000 memory channels. I don't, yeah, okay. That makes sense. Yeah, so it's got a specific plug for ICOM, which is cool. But if you're looking for a last-minute gift idea that's not a stocking stuffer, this is good. I did a quick check on other websites. It looks like Gigaparts has this for about $159, and DX Engineering has it for about $179 right now today. I just checked that 10 minutes ago. So $149.95, free shipping, no tax if you live outside of the state where R&L Electronics is located. So that's one good idea. He still does have the IC7300 for $899.89. Free shipping, limit 2 per customer. That goes through 12/31. So good deals there. Something new I found yesterday. This is kind of fun. You have seen, I'll go ahead and link right above me right here because I can't point up that high because the green screen's there. Right above me, I will link the video to my Shark RF Open Spot 2 that I posted last year sometime. Earlier in 2019, I believe it was. And one of my subscribers in my, one of the members of my Discord channel, which you can find the link to Discord in the YouTube description below, notified me about this brand new OpenSpot 3 digital hotspot device that's available for pre-order. 249 euros, which is approximately $276.81. That's before shipping from Estonia. Sometimes I get asked why no one in the United States sold the OpenSpot 2 because Shark RF stopped selling to resellers after the original OpenSpot. I don't know why. They just did. But the cool thing about this device is that it will integrate, let's see. I'm looking for a specific item. Here we go. Here it is right here. Supports cross modes, built-in hardware transcoding with D-Star. This will be the first device that'll be an all-inclusive device. It'll be the first OpenSpot and also the first all-inclusive device that'll do cross mode between DMR and D-Star to DMR. So, little hint, I already have one of these on this way to me, so you're going to see a review video on this channel upcoming. So you heard it here first. But if you go back to just the Shark RF Spot, they've discounted this one, the OpenSpot 2, which is still very solid device. was 199 euros previously. Now you can get it for 149 euros, which is about $165.64. Shipping is about, I want to say shipping's about $40. Calculate shipping, United States, Texas, Grapevine 76051 update. So yeah, you can see right there, it says, I was looking down here at the bottom, DHL, 24 euros. That's not dollars, that's euros. So 173 euros, which is probably roughly about $200, something like that. Of course, this number can change. Euros to US dollars, 173 euros. Yeah, 192.27 including shipping. So, if you've got that much budget, you can get yourself or you can get yourself or get the person you're buying for an Open Spot 2 at a discounted rate. Since they discontinued the Open Spot when they released the Open Spot 2. So my assumption is that once the Open Spot 3 gets all released and they sell off all their Open Spot 2 stock, they probably will discontinue it as well. That is not to say that it wouldn't still be a good gift, because I still have 2 original Open Spots that work perfectly. And the last time, it's been a while since I've checked, but the last time I checked, they were still updating firmware on it. So that probably won't last forever since it is a discontinued device. But, if you're that worried about it, pre-order an Open Spot 3. They're about 100 euros more. But, if that's something you want to do. I also added last week when I showed you guys the my kit.co site, I still have this. No, that's not. Gosh, I don't know why it does that. It auto there it goes. Okay, sometimes it'll auto populate that one site. This holiday gift ideas for ham operators. This is the stuff that I went over in my video last week. You can see that video on the channel. Got a lot of really good comments on that video. Elsewhere inside of the kit.co, which again I will link in the YouTube description below. These are some homebrewed dipole antennas. View on eBay. These are actually on eBay, not Amazon. And if you go over here to this guy, Radio Man, I've actually bought antennas from this guy before, and the 40-meter center-fed dipole that I have hanging in my yard right now that I've been doing all this FT8 on is one of these antennas. Now, you can build your own, but again, if you're giving a gift idea, then you can give someone a spool of wire and say, go for it, or you can actually give them an antenna. So he's got a lot of these dipole antennas in here. This one right here looked very interesting to me. It's a 30 and 17 meter fan dipole. I thought that was a cool combination because with 30 meters you can do FT8 and FT4 all day long, or CW, if you know CW. And then 17 meters is a really good DX band. So I thought that was kind of neat. But in here in this Soda and POTA gear, Summits on the Air and Parks on the Air gear, this is just stuff if the ham radio operator that you're purchasing items for this year does any Parks on the Air, Field Day, Islands on the Air, Summits on the Air, anything like that, field deployable radio on the air. A lot of these items would be very useful, especially during the wintertime, propane and whatnot. I recently added these 3, these Bioenno, however you say that. Batteries are really great for portable operation because they're lightweight. They're these LifePo 4 batteries, and they're rechargeable, of course, and they last a long, long time. Had a couple of these out on the Soda expedition we did at Mount Pacifico back in November. This one right here is kind of neat because it has solar panel integration in it. So 120 watt solar pack, AC/DC solar unit. Let's see. Yep, there's your AC plug right there. DC input, DC output with USB. And there's a solar panel input, a DC input on the solar panel right there. So that's kind of neat. That's a great tool. It's a little bit more. Again, this is not a stocking stuffer item because this is about $235. So it really depends on what your budget is. This right here is cool. I actually found this by accident because it's an 18,000 milliamp hour battery pack, which is not the largest battery pack you can get. In fact, this one right here that I added, this one is a nope. This one's the largest battery pack I can find on Amazon. This one's a 50,000 milliamp hour battery pack, and they say this one will run your Microsoft Surface tablet. Pretty cool stuff. But this one right here comes with. I had a guy jumpstart me just a couple days ago. I was driving an old car. That's not my normal. It's not my normal truck, but I have this old car that I'm fixing some things on and I'm going to sell. It's a long story. But I was out and about, and I was actually at my mailbox checking my mail, and I went out to start my car, and the battery's dead. The battery in the car is no good. It's one of the things I haven't replaced yet. And this guy that was parked next to me, he's like, "Do you need a jump start?" I said, "Yeah, but I don't have cables. Do you?" He goes, "No, we don't need them." And he pulls this thing out, and he jump started my car from this battery pack. That was pretty. And I'm like, what the heck is that? So I looked it up, and this is what it was. And of course, it charges your phone also, and it'll charge your radio, and it'll charge all kinds of stuff. But it's sure is a handy tool for only $73, free Amazon Prime shipping. That's yeah, #1 bestseller. I don't doubt that. So that's probably something I'm going to be getting for myself during the holiday. If I don't get it for Christmas, I might buy it for myself after Christmas. So stay tuned for this video on this channel next week to find out. Anyway, those are some last minute gift ideas. You know, depending on what your budget is. If you're still if you're still looking for a limited budget on stocking stuffer type ideas, this holiday gift ideas for the ham operator is really good. It's got a lot of stuff in here, and you can go in here and open these on Amazon, and then scroll down here and see, you know, frequently bought together, other stuff in here, suggested sponsored products related to this item. These are kind of cool, and you get really great suggestions from Amazon down here doing that kind of stuff. It's always good to kind of look around and see what else is out there. So that is that. Guys, thanks a lot for the comments on the last two videos. Put your comments below for this video. I'm thinking about doing a live stream on Christmas morning. Short, sweet, 15 to 30 minutes, something like that. We'll see who joins. I have family coming over that day at noon, 1 o'clock local time. So I thought, maybe I'll get up about 9:30 in the morning on Wednesday, December 25th, and just come out to the shack, sit down, and start the camera. So might do that. I don't know if I'm going to do a pre-planned URL or if I'll just hit record and start talking. Might be one of those things. Frank and I are getting together for our next live stream the first Sunday in January. So we'll talk about all the things after that. And the YouTubers bunch is meeting again the last Sunday in December. We've got a couple of subjects we're going to talk about there also, so that's going to be fun. But I will, if at this point in time right now, I'm planning to do, I'm leaning towards doing a live stream Christmas morning. But if something happens and I'm not able to do that, I will definitely do a Thursday, December 26th addition to this video, talking about maybe what I got for Christmas, talk to some other people about what you guys got for Christmas, and see if there's any like end of the year specials that have been posted yet that maybe, they're going to post Christmas specials this week up until probably Tuesday or Wednesday. And then as soon as Christmas is over, they're going to start posting end of the year special, close out before January 1st, 2020, that kind of thing. So it's going to be nice to see what will be out at that point in time. So 73 guys, thanks for watching. Put your comments below. Click on the applaud button if you're so inclined. Helps me out to grow the channel. And we'll see you next time.